In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Shopify collaboration code to a Shopify Partners account. Shopify. A collaboration code is the short, 4-digit code a Shopify partner needs when they request collaborator access to your store. It doesn't grant access on its own. It simply verifies their request so you can review and approve it safely. Here's how to find it quickly and generate a new one when needed. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, make sure you're on Home so you can see the full navigation clearly. Now look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This is where all of your store's administrative controls live. Inside Settings, use the search bar at the top and type Collaborators. That's the fastest way to jump straight to the right place without digging through menus. In the results, click Collaborators to open the Collaborator Access area under your security settings. If you happen to land on User Activity Logs instead, don't worry. That's a nearby section that records recent actions. Just switch back to the Collaborators section in the same area to continue. If you manage multiple stores or you're working within an organization, you may see a list. Choose the store you want to manage collaborator access for. Once you open your store's collaborator settings, you'll see your current collaboration code displayed. Click the code that's shown to select or copy it. This is the code you'll securely share with your Shopify partner so they can include it when they submit their collaborator request from the partner dashboard. If you prefer to issue a fresh code, for example, if you've shared the old one broadly or want tighter control, click Generate New Code. Shopify will immediately create a new 4-digit code for this store. Click the new code to copy it, and remember to share it only with the specific partner you trust. Generating a new code will replace the previous one, so anyone who has the old code will need the updated value to proceed. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the Collaborator section, make sure you're logged in as the store owner or with permission to manage users and permissions. Treat the code like any other sensitive credential. Don't post it publicly and share it through a secure channel. And remember, partners still need to send a request that you must review and approve before they get access. That's it. You've located your collaboration code, learned how to copy it, and seen how to generate a new one when needed.